dahi vada. Hi, I'm Anupa and I welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Let's make dahi vada a very popular snack in India. So for this I need 1 cup of soaked split black gram which is skinless, also known as urad dal, 2 cups of whisked yogurt, 2 cups of buttermilk, oil to deep fry, 2 teaspoons roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, half a teaspoon hing or asafoetida, black salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoons date and tamarind chutney. To make the vadas, we have to first grind the urad dal. So let's take a mixie jar to which we'll add all the soaked dal, some water, this is done. You can check like this. This should feel absolutely soft. And while you grind, we also incorporate air. So when we fry these vadas, they have to get spongy. Okay, so all of this. Now to this, we'll add whole cumin seeds. Since the urad dal has got a lot of flatulence, we'll have to break it down by adding in some asafoetida, some black salt and some regular salt, and mix this. So once you've done this, just taste the salt. We'll need some more salt to this, and again that's it. This is done. Now I have to show you a trick. We have to take another bowl with buttermilk. Now what am I going to do with this? I'll tell you. This is very thin buttermilk. We'll keep it on one side. But first we have to fry these vadas. Now how do you fry them? With the help of 2 spoons, just drop spoonful of this batter in the oil. The oil should not be very hot, because if the oil is very hot, the vadas will just get golden and it will not cook from within. So it has to be moderately heated, just like this, and just keep on rolling this like this so that it gets nice golden color. And once it is golden, then we have to just flip it over and cook the other side also. You see this, they have become nice and fluffy. Just that make sure you keep rolling this so that the color is even. You can make it as small as you want, or you could also make it as big as you want. Big ones, as it could be just 1 piece for 1 person. And that's it. Just keep on rolling this till it is absolutely golden brown. Now there are 2 ways that you can do. One is make this into a dahi vada, or just serve these vadas as it is with green chutney. Both taste perfect. Choice is yours. Okay, so you see these vadas, it has taken me good 15 minutes on medium heat to get it to this stage, and this is just perfect. Switch off the gas and take it out onto an absorbent paper. You see this, the color is so pretty, nice and golden. Okay, so this is it. Now what do we have to do? I had shown you the buttermilk that I have with me. Generally when you make a dahi vada, after you fried the vadas, you put them in water. I am going to put them in buttermilk. Why? Because eventually we are going to be adding it into a yogurt. So let's soak it in buttermilk so the actual flavor of dahi or the yogurt goes right inside, and after this we are going to add it into chilled yogurt. So this point you have to remember. This is plain buttermilk to which we will add some salt. That's it. Soak all of them in buttermilk for about 5 to 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the yogurt as well. This is plain yogurt which is not flavored, it's just plain whisk yogurt, to which we'll add some salt. Remember, we've added salt in the batter, then we've added salt in the buttermilk. So in this yogurt, we'll add very little salt. That's it. So now you take the vada out of the buttermilk and squeeze it lightly, just like this. Place it in the bowl. Another one. You see, the vada is quite spongy. After squeezing, it is getting back to its original shape, which means the vadas are really nice. That's it. 4 vadas. That's it. dahi or yogurt on this. We'll sprinkle, or even before this, let's drizzle some date and tamarind chutney. Okay. Some cumin powder, some red chili powder. Dahi vada is ready. Very simple recipe. Make it just the way I have made it and you'll love it.